Welcome back to my channel. We're going to do another egg collecting video, and somebody said comment on my other video said I ain't going to get nothing today, so she's going to be totally surprised, y'all. So let's see how many we get today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you comment below how many you think we're going to get tomorrow. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for see more future videos. So let's get started. So first off, we have one right here, so that makes one. So one. Three here. So 2, 3, 4. And 5. 5 eggs in the beanie. So that means every one of my beanies are laying. So let's see how many eggs in the next one. I'm in the big chicken nest, and let's see how many they laid. Off the bat, we got 1. That is a pretty egg. So that makes 2, 4, 5, 6. And we got a new layer. Seven. Alright, let's look. Oh, look at that. 8. So we have 8 eggs today. Alrighty. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.